Hi everyone, it's me Faith, and in this next video I'll be doing for you one of my favorite drinks, my Trini HomeStyle Peanut Punch. Guys, you all are gonna love this. It's an awesome energy booster if you like working out at the gym and such. And ladies, well, let me just say, your guy is gonna love you if you make him one of these tasty Trini HomeStyle Peanut Punch. Alright, so let me go through the ingredients with you really quick. I have 2 cups of chunky peanut butter, 1 cup of condensed milk, I have 3/4 cups of granola, 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 teaspoon of wheat germ, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of aromatic bitters. Now I left the teaspoon in here, so I'll easily know the difference. If you don't have the aromatic bitters, which is this one of my favorite ingredients for my drinks, if you don't have the aromatic bitters, you can also use nutmeg. That also gives it a really nice taste. I'm not using nutmeg today. This is as good as it gets. Okay, and over here in the blender mug, I have just 1.5 cups of skim milk, 1 cup of ice cubes. When you're laying out your ingredients, which is the best way to do this punch, try to not have the ice waiting on you, okay? So let's get started, shall we? So I have my 1.5 cup of skim milk in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my aromatic bitters. That's 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, my peanut butter, the star of the punch. Next, I am going to add my granola. This is 3/4 cups. My condensed milk. As you can tell by now, there's no real order adding the ingredients, but this is how I like to add it. My tablespoon of oats. If you use too much oats, remember oats expands and it makes the drink even thicker, so you don't want it to be too much. I have here 1 teaspoon of wheat germ for all the nutritious and health benefits, and also 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And lastly, I add my 1 cup of ice cubes. You secure this cover really nicely into that blender. I really like this cover because it comes with its own spout. Makes it a little easier for me to pour out at the end of it. And as you can see over here, I have my glass and my jug just waiting patiently for this one. I'm sure you all know how to use a blender. Of course you do. Well, this is how I do. To start, I just pulse it. This is to make sure that the peanut butter gets blended, and then it pulls the ice down so the ice gets chipped. All right. Alright, so once you're not hearing any more crushing sound, you know that the ice is good to go. I'm going to start it on a low speed first, which will be the milkshake speed, and then I'm going to take it up to the smoothie speed, and it's going to just last for a total of 2 minutes of blending because this is a really good blender. Alright, so you can time it if you like, but 2 minutes maximum. That's a lot of time when you're blending. So let's start with the smoothie. Alright, so that's my first minute on smoothie. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little while. I'll give it like 30 seconds. Just let it sit. Then I go to smoothie speed. That's the second speed. And I'm gonna give it another minute. Alright, don't get scared for your blender. It knows what to do. Alright, and our peanut punch is all done. So let's get it over into the jug and then I'll pour you a glass. So like I said, the spout makes it very easy to pour. Look at that beautiful texture. You can see all of the peanuts in this punch. Alright, and there we have it, our Trini HomeStyle peanut punch. So let me pour myself a glass and just give you that taste test. All right, the moment we have all been waiting for. I love this drink, guys, so I know you would too. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, are you seeing that? Wow, it's perfect. All right, and there we have it, our Trini HomeStyle peanut punch. Okay guys, so give it a whirl and enjoy. I know you're gonna love it. To those of you who dare to use a straw, be guided accordingly because it's gonna go up very slowly. Delicious. Notice how slowly it's going back down the straw, right? I know. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the little red button. You can see these recipes all uploaded on my new website, TriniHomeStyleRecipes.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook at Trini HomeStyle Recipes. I upload one delicious Trini HomeStyle recipe once every week on Tasty Sundays at 10 a.m. So if you want that notification, don't forget to press the little bell. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.